Well, good afternoon. We've got areas of blue sky out there. We've got areas where we have clouds and in some places a mix of both of those things. And that's what's happening right now in Devil's Lake. We are seeing both sunshine and some clouds that we are enjoying the blue sky here for today. So this is looking off to the east. You can see a little bit of both. And again, a look at your radar and satellite picture. The black and white satellite layer here gives us a good idea of where we have some of the higher cloud tops, where some of those thinner or lower clouds happen to be. Those tend to be a little bit darker, a little bit more gray. And you see some of those areas here, like in Fargo and up to the north, those wispy spots. And then if you look farther south, you see the brighter white cloud tops associated with the rain that's been happening in some of those spots. So that can kind of tell whether we're still getting some sun shining through or whether it's completely obscured by those clouds. And then there are areas like the Red Lake area that's enjoying a beautiful blue sky lunch hour right now. And you can see there has been some rain, some thunder south of us. Right in that Bismarck area, we're watching to the south of there for those thunderstorms going on. That's continuing to lift northward. So traveling westward into central and western North Dakota, going to be a little bit more on the rainy side today, or a lot more. And the thunderstorms that were south of us this morning, those have fizzled out as expected. But all of this moisture is moving northward, and these clouds could produce an isolated shower or thunder shower as we continue on into the afternoon. It's something we'll be watching for. Wind speeds are up to 15 miles per hour, not bad at all. The wind is variable on average out of the east, or even just calm conditions out there. And check out these temperatures. We're already at 79 degrees in Crookston, very warm. Bemidji's at 75. It's 73 in Fargo now, and Jamestown is checking in at 76. And today I'm reintroducing the dew point temperature here to our list of graphics. A reminder, dew point is a good measure of how much moisture is in the air. The higher the dew point, the more muggy it starts to feel. And we are in the 50s and even some 60s in some spots. Valley City is at 60. Check out Gwinner, 72. That's a high number there. 55 in Detroit Lakes. And so a reminder on that dew point scale, being in the 50s, it still feels pretty good, pretty okay. But once we start to hit 60, that's when it starts to feel a little more sticky and getting more into that uncomfortable range as we get further in the 60s and even higher in the 70s. So that's something we'll be watching as we go into these warmer months ahead. And looking at our conditions right now, it's nice and bright and sunny in spots, and others again seeing some of those passing clouds. Heading into the afternoon, temperatures rising into more upper 70s. A couple of us may get to 80. Crookston's just 1 degree off right now. And you can see these clouds moving in and that chance for some spotty showers, especially in southeastern North Dakota, western communities along the Highway 281 corridor. Those areas are going to be more likely to see that potential for an isolated shower, thunder shower. But you can even see into northwest Minnesota. That's a possibility too into tonight. This is 7 p.m. Stronger storms back over by the Harvey area, points west. And then overnight tonight, the possibility for rain and thunder kind of sticks around in some of those same areas. It'll be very close to places like the Devil's Lake Basin. You may be experiencing rain as we're waking up tomorrow morning. Other places pretty quiet in the 50s to low 60s. Quick look at our planner into Friday. We're going to see these scattered showers and thunder showers develop through the afternoon and continue into Friday evening. And then we'll have this again happen into Saturday as well. The potential into Saturday afternoon you see here for rain and thunder still continues. So watch out for rain on that fishing opener. And a big weekend for graduation this weekend too, and Mother's Day. Lots going on. Mother's Day will be the nicest. We're going to be experiencing some sunshine and back into the 70s. That continues on next week.
Well, I was saying earlier that it seemed like it got hot really fast this spring, and the newsroom kind of got on me and was like, take it back.
Don't complain, right? Because we were just a little bit ago, we were asking for even just a little bit of warmth. But, you know, it kind of is a little bit shocking. We're not used to it yet, especially when we factor in the humidity. So it'll just take some getting used to.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Lisa.